Okay, so we're on the second part, which is the tincture. And this is the tincture that I sell on my site. You see that it also comes sealed, and we also bubble wrap it. And it's amazing. I have a little grandson, and every time he comes over, he looks for the elderberry tincture extract because he loves it. Okay, so I had already started on filling it. You can see the elderberry, you can see the echinacea, you can see the dried orange peel, and I also added ginger. This is the dried ginger, okay? And I'm also gonna add a crystal. Okay, so like I said, we have the amethyst crystal, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some rose hips in there. And then we're going to add some more elderberry. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some glycerin. And what I'm going to do now is stir it up just a little bit so we can get it mixed. It'll be real thick, but we want to make sure it goes all the way through. See all that goodness in there. And what I'm going to do now is add some more ginger to it. A couple of more pieces. And I'm going to add some more glycerin. Now I am going to add the citric acid, which gives it a amazing flavor. Oh, you guys, it's so good. I love this tincture. I'm going to stir it up some more, get it good and mixed in. Now I'm going to add the rest of the elderberry, echinacea, and the rose hip. And then I'm going to show you what this looks like once it has been drained and what the consistency of the tincture will look like. I know it looks thick right now. It's going to be pretty thick, but as it sits and cures for those 6 weeks, 6 to 7 weeks, just depends on how I think it should look. Stir it up a little bit more. Oh man, look at that. Super thick. Make sure it gets down to the bottom. I don't want to lose any of this, okay? So now, let's see. This is what it looks like once it has cured and I have drained everything out. You see it's a thick syrupy. It looks just like syrup, as if you were making the elderberry syrup, but this is a glycerin tincture. And we also do the alcohol tinctures as well. So like I said, we have the glycerin and we have the alcohol, and this is the final product, again, of what it should look like when we're done.